I think the key thing is to recognize that there is no magic dust, right? There is no magic potion. The work of schools is done in communities between teachers and kids, and obviously all of the other support staff within schools, in partnership with parents. And so if change is going to happen in schools, that's the vector that it has to come from. I think if we look at the last 20 years of top-down, hierarchical education reforms, we can see that they're kind of one and done, or they don't really stick around very long, or they stick around as long as one person is there to push the initiative and then they go away because there's not grassroots support there, or frankly, they don't really value teachers. And so that's where I think our perspective as classroom teachers, as teacher organizers, we recognize that any lasting real change is going to have to come with the buy-in of teachers. And so really that's where we start. And teachers are, of course, the experts in their content area, and they know their contexts. So we're not there to tell them really how to teach, right? We're there to help them connect to the passions and the things that brought them into the classroom in the first place, that caused them to want to be in a room full of 30, in many cases, 30 plus kids at a time, to teach them about math or science or history, about all those other things, and really give them permission to reconnect and give them frameworks and narratives that help them shift their thinking, right, to kind of onboard them into new ways of thinking about student autonomy, about classroom discipline, about instructional design and assessment. And when we go to work with teachers and they see that we're on their side and we're not just the consultant of the week who comes in to give them a program and an acronym and then go, right? We're there to do the work with them. And we're there to actually talk to their kids too, because our human-centered schools model, begins with student focus groups. So we go in and we talk to a cross-section of kids from however many grade levels we're allowed to, and hopefully with a community focus group on the side as well that has parents, employers, religious figures, whoever is important in that community, kind of come to a understanding of the goal and the function and the purpose of the school, and to get parents' perspectives on the way that things are going, so we can pair that with kids too, and make our recommendations for change and work to implement them alongside, again, teachers, kids, administrators, working together. As we know, the endeavor of education